Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. So this will be a very quick video on how to make your own shea butter leave-in recipe by using the African shea butter. I'm using the OK brand, and this is yellow and it's smooth, as you can see. If you take a good look, as you can see, the texture of this shea butter is really creamy. So why I'm doing this video, previously I did a video on how to make your own shea butter recipe, and I did use a mixer in that video. However, some persons have said in the comments and have been messaging me saying that if they don't have a mixer, what is the other alternative? So I'll be showing you in this video how to make this leave-in recipe without using a mixer. So first, I'm just removing the shea butter from the container into a glass container that I'll be using as a double boiler method to melt the shea butter. So I'm taking out the amount that I'll be using. I won't be doing a lot of this because I really liked mine when I whipped it up, that texture that I get from it. So basically I'm just pressing the shea butter a little bit to make it more lighter, and then I'm putting that container in a container with hot water. This water was previously boiling, and I'm just going to allow that to sit and melt. So if you've been watching my video, you recognize that in most of my videos when I'm doing protective styles or when I want to moisturize my hair, I use my African Shea Butter mix. It has been really awesome. I use it. It's a great sealant for the hair. It keeps my hair moisturized for longer. It helps with definition of my hair, makes my hair a lot softer and protect it against heat. Even though I don't use heat tools, but it protects it against the sun and over drying. So this is actually a very good recipe. I'm just going to add my Jamaica black castor oil to this, and the amount that you add is in proportion to the amount of shea butter that you'll be using. Just eyeball it. I'm just only using 2 tablespoons, and whatever oils that your hair love. I realized that my hair, because of the porosity, African shea butter and castor oil along with avocado oils and olive oil works really well to seal my hair, and they absorb well into my strands. So I'm just using these oils. Like I said, I'm just eyeballing it. So based on the mixture that you make, just judge it. And then once you add your oils, you want to go ahead and stir that up really nice. This is one of the staple recipes that I use on my hair growth regimen. If I change anything in my hair regimen, this always stays, because like I said, this helps to keep my hair moisturized. And apart from keeping my hair moisturized, this really helps my strand to be thicker, to be stronger. They don't break so easily when I'm using it. If you haven't incorporated African shea butter in your hair care regimen, you need to try this out. It definitely works and it's awesome. So once I've added my favorite oils to my African shea butter, I'm just going to mix it well with a spoon to ensure that it is uniform all over. And then the next product that you see me add to this is so awesome. This is the Giovanni Direct Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. And guys, this is awesome because it doesn't have any artificial coloring. It doesn't have any harmful ingredients for the hair, and the fact that it is weightless, it won't weigh your hair down, and it offers moisture in your hair. And what I like about this as well is that it is a vegan product, so it's just awesome all over. So I'll be using half of a cup, well, less than half of a cup, based on the amount of shea butter and oils that I'll be using. And I'm just going to add that also to my mixture and mix it really well. So once you have mixed in your leave-in conditioner, your oils with your shea butter, after you mix it really well, what you want to do is put it in your container. In this case, I'm using a plastic container. Usually I use a mason jar, but they're all filled up now. Ain't nothing wrong with my plastic container. This one had a product in there. I'll just reuse it. So I'm just going to add it to my container, and I'll put it on the refrigerator for a few hours to make it cool down. Once it is cooled, because of the consistency of the shea butter, everything will get solidified once more, and you'll see the texture. So basically, you don't have to keep this mixture on the refrigerator. It has a very long shelf life. This can last you for months. And I normally, when I make a mixture like this size, I use products heavily because my hair tends to be dry often. So this doesn't last me for more than a month. I usually use it off anyways before that time. So it has a very long shelf life. You don't need to add a preservative because of all the ingredients that we already use in there. The leave-in conditioner already is stable. The African shea butter is stable. The oils are stable. So you just need to go ahead, put it in a container, put it in the fridge to make it a little bit solid. And that's it. That's my texture that I have when I mix it. And once I add it to my container, you'll see the texture Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it to be helpful, and don't forget to